Hola my dear students. ¿Listos para aprender español con JCAB Tutoring? Of course. Today, we're going on a language adventure to conquer the 10 most used verbs in the language of love. Español. Imagine. It's like having the master key that opens doors to a world of possibilities. From ordering a delicious plate of paella on the beach to understanding Shakira's passionate lyrics. And who doesn't want that, huh? These verbs are like the foundation of a house, the base on which everything else is built. Once you master them, you can talk about almost anything. Your dreams, your fears. You can even propose to that special someone in Spanish. So, get ready to expand your horizons and speak like true Hispanics. Join me on this journey full of laughter, learning, and maybe, just maybe, a little drama. Our first star verb is ser, to be. As simple as it sounds, ser is like the chameleon of verbs. It adapts to a bunch of situations. We use it to describe permanent characteristics, those that make you unique and one of a kind. For example, if you are a brave and determined person, you would say, yo soy valiente. Or if you are a creative person with a wild imagination, you could say, yo soy creativo, o creativa. You see? It's like magic. With ser, you can tell the world who you really are. It doesn't matter if you are tall or short, dark or red-haired. Ser helps you express it with confidence. And the best part is that it's super easy to conjugate. Yo soy. Tú eres. Ellos. Nosotros somos. And ellos son. Easier than multiplying by one. And now, get ready to meet the fun brother of ser, the verb. Estar. If ser is like the wise teacher, estar is the life of the party, always moving, changing from one moment to the next. Estar is the verb we use to describe temporary states or locations. Imagine you're enjoying a well-deserved vacation on the beach with the sun kissing your skin and a pina colada in your hand. In that case, you would use estar to say, estoy relajado. Or if you're at home, getting ready for a night out with your friends, you'd say, estoy emocionado. See the difference? Estar captures the essence of the moment, the energy around you. And don't worry, even though estar also has its special conjugations, it's not rocket science. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Él está. Nosotros estamos. Ellos están. You'll see that, with a little practice, you'll master it in the blink of an eye. Chapter 4. Time to possess, the verb. To have, or tener, one section, of dogs, houses, and other possessions. Oh, the verb to have, so simple, so useful, so essential. Are you telling me it's not important to have things? A house, a car, a good plate of tacos al pastor. Well, maybe not all of those are essential, but they are very desirable. And to express that possession, that mío, mío, mío that we carry inside, we use tener. Yo tengo un carro. Tú tienes amigos. Ella tiene dinero. Nosotros tenemos hambre. Ellos tienen una familia grande. Ah, aha. See how things change. Suddenly we have things, we are owners, we are important people. Well, maybe not important, but at least with things to show off. So you know, friends, practice that tener, because if you don't use it, you'll forget it. And then, how are you going to tell the world all the wonderful things you possess? Chapter 5. To action, the verb. To do, or hacer, from bed to party, everything is done. Oh, to do. That verb that reminds us that life isn't just about existing, it's about doing things. From the moment we get out of bed, we estamos haciendo, haciendo, y haciendo. Yo hago desayuno, tú haces comida, él hace caso. Nosotros hacemos amigos. Ellos hacen café. Because yes, my dears, even laughing is doing, and doing is action. It's movement, it's giving it your all. Don't just sit there like couch potatoes. Levántate y haz algo. Paint a picture, write a song, learn to dance salsa. Life is too short to sit around waiting for things to happen. We have to make them happen. Chapter 6. With power you can. Con poder puedes. The verb to be able to, or poder, one section. Section 1. Si tú puedes. The endless possibilities of being able to be able to. That magic word that fills us with possibilities. Yo puedo hablar español. Tú puedes correr. Él puede pintar. Nosotros podemos bailar. Ellos pueden cantar. Yo puedo ganar la lotería. Well, one can dream, right? The point is, my friends, that being able to gives us strength, the confidence, the little push we need to achieve our dreams. So the next time you face a challenge, remember, si tú puedes. You can do it and so much more. You just need to believe in yourselves and let that inner power guide you. Chapter 7. Decir. Let's talk about decir. Oh guys, decir to say. Such a small word, but with such a big meaning. Who hasn't been in a situation where what they wanted to say got stuck right here, right? Decir is like that magic key that opens the doors of communication. With decir, we can express our ideas, our wishes, even our fears. It's like a bridge that connects our minds with those of others. Imagine a world without decir. It would be like a silent movie, but without the piano music. Yo digo, tú dices, él dice, nosotros decimos, ellos dicen. They say we are going to be lucky. See how it's used? It's like a chameleon, isn't it? Always adapting to the situation. But be careful, my friends. Decir also has its dangerous side. A word spoken at the wrong time can cause a big misunderstanding. So think before you say. At Chapter 8. To go. Here, let's go on a trip. Oh, to go. This word fills us with possibilities, adventures, trips. To go is like getting on a plane without knowing where it will take you, but with the excitement of discovering new horizons. I'm going to the movies. We're going to the beach. They are going to school. With ear, we are always moving. It's like we have ants in our pants that won't let us sit still. But going isn't just about physical places, my dear friends. We can also go through time. Do you remember when we used to go to the playground? Oh, what memories. To go is a word full of life, energy, surprises. Por ejemplo, yo voy, tú vas. Él va, nosotros vamos. Ellos van. So, the next time you have the opportunity to go somewhere, don't hesitate. Jump into the adventure. Chapter 9. To see. Ver. Open your eyes wide to see. That magical verb that lets us appreciate the beauty of the world around us, the vibrant colors of a sunset, a child's contagious smile, your friend's surprised face when you play a prank on them. Vio. ¿Qué ves? I remember my grandma singing that song to me when I was a kid. Seeing is like a window to the world, don't you think? Through our eyes we can discover new things, learn and be amazed. I'm watching a movie. We're looking at the stars. They see the future with optimism. Yo veo. Tú ves. Él ve. Nosotros vemos. Ellos ven. Seeing connects us to the present, the past, and the future. But seeing also implies responsibility. It's not just about looking, but about observing, understanding, appreciating. So, my friends, open your eyes wide and enjoy the spectacle of life. Chapter 10. Dar, giving and gifting. Hello, my dear students. We are on verb number 9, can you believe it? Time flies when you're having fun and learning, right? Today, we are diving into a verb that is as warm and fuzzy as a hug from your grandma. We are on a roll, just like when you are giving out those awesome party favors. Remember how excited you felt when you received a little gift bag at a party? That's the magic of giving. Speaking of giving, get ready to learn all about dar, the verb that's all about spreading the love, literally. Whether it's a small token of appreciation or a grand gesture, dar is your go-to verb. Now, dar might seem simple at first, but trust me, it's got a lot of heart. It's not just about the physical act of giving, it's about the emotions and intentions behind it. It's not just about handing over a physical object, it's about sharing a part of yourself. When you give, you're offering a piece of your kindness, your thoughtfulness, and your love. Think about it. When you give a gift, you're giving someone a piece of your thoughtfulness, your love, Okay, maybe I'm getting a little too deep here. But seriously, it's a beautiful thing. Let's bring it back to basics. You use dar when you're, giving something to someone. It's straightforward but powerful, like when you surprise your mom with breakfast in bed. Le damos desayuno a nuestra madre. Imagine the joy on her face when she sees the effort you put in. Or when you finally give in and share your delicious flan with your friend who won't stop staring at them. Yo le doy un regalo a mi amigo. It's a small act, but it means a lot. See? Sharing is caring, and dar helps you do just that. It's a verb that brings people closer together, fostering connections and spreading joy. But wait, there's more. Dar can also be used in other situations, like when you're giving someone a hug. I give a hug to my grandma. Le doy un abrazo a mi abuela. Hugs are a universal language of love and comfort. Or even when you're giving someone a chance, I give you a chance. Te doy un chance. It's about offering opportunities and support, showing that you believe in them. Por ejemplo, yo doy. Tú das. Él da. Nosotros damos. Ellos dan. So, as you can see, dar is a versatile verb that's all about spreading the love, the generosity, and sometimes, even the tacos. It's a word that embodies the spirit of giving in all its forms. So go out there and spread some joy with dar. Chapter 11. To know. Saber. Knowing is half the battle. Hey, my smart friends. We've made it to verb number 10, the grand finale. This is what we've been waiting for, the big finish of our language journey. And guess what? We saved the smartest verb for last. This verb is like that aha moment when you finally understand something, the one that makes everything click. Get ready to unlock the power of saber, the verb that's all about knowledge, being smart and knowing all the answers, or at least acting like you do. Imagine being the one who always raises their hand in class, or the one who can see into the future with their super smart telescope. Now, saber is kind of like that friend who always gets a perfect score on every test without even trying. You know that person, right? The one who seems to know everything easily. It's all about having information stored in your brain, ready to impress anyone at any time. Whether it's facts, numbers, or fun trivia, to know is your best verb for showing off how smart you are. You know, like when your friend asks you a random trivia question, and you're all, oh, totalmente sé eso. It's that moment when you feel like the smartest person in the room. And then you completely forget. We've all been there, right? That awkward silence when your mind goes blank? Don't worry, it happens to everyone. It's a normal thing, and it's okay to laugh about it. But don't worry, my friends, because Saber is here to help you sound like the smartest person around. With Saber, you can feel confident and impress everyone. Use it when you want to say you know something, like, Yo sé la capital de Mexico. It's a simple but powerful way to show off what you know. Or when you want to brag about your language skills. Yo sé cómo hablar español. Imagine how great it feels to speak another language. See? Saber makes you sound super smart, even if you're just pretending until you actually know it. It's all about acting confident and knowledgeable. And here's a little secret. Saber can also be used for knowing how to do something. It's like having a hidden skill you can use at the right time. It's like having a secret talent. Whether it's a magic trick or a special skill, saber is your verb. Por ejemplo, yo sé, tú sabes, él sabe, nosotros sabemos, ellos saben. So go ahead, impress your friends with all the things you know. Your ability to say verbs perfectly, or your awesome dance moves. Yo sé bailar salsa. Show off your talents and let to know be your guide. With Saber on your side, anything is possible. Embrace the power of knowledge and let it open doors to new adventures. Chapter 12. See you next time. Oh my dear students, we've reached the end of our amazing journey through the top 10 most used verbs in Spanish. It's been quite the adventure, hasn't it? From the very first verb we tackled together, to the last one we just mastered, each step has brought us closer to fluency. Can you believe it? We laughed, we learned, we maybe even shed a tear or two. Okay, maybe that was just me. But every moment was worth it. Each laugh and each tear was a testament to our dedication and passion for learning Spanish. But most importantly, you are now well on your way to becoming a Spanish-speaking superstar. Imagine the doors that will open for you, the new friends you'll make, and the rich experiences you'll have. Remember, these 10 verbs are like the essential ingredients in a delicious paella. Just as a chef carefully selects each ingredient to create a masterpiece, you've learned to use these verbs to craft meaningful and engaging conversations. You've got your ser and estar for describing things, giving you the ability to paint vivid pictures with your words. Your tener and hacer for talking about possessions and actions, allowing you to express what you have and what you do with ease. And your poder and saber for showing off your skills and knowledge. These verbs empower you to share what you can do and what you know with confidence. And let's not forget about decir, ir, ver, and dar. These verbs are essential for communication, travel, observation, and giving. They are the backbone of many daily interactions. Those verbs are like the spices that add that extra flavor to your conversations. They bring your language to life, making it vibrant and dynamic. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and practice using these verbs in your everyday life. The world is your classroom, and every interaction is an opportunity to improve. Talk to your friends, order food in Spanish, immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Even try telling a joke. The possibilities are endless. Humor is a great way to connect with others and practice your language skills. And hey, if you ever get stuck, just remember, I'm here for you. Whether you need a quick refresher or some encouragement, don't hesitate to reach out. Just like that time I had to deliver a baby in an elevator. But that's a story for another time. Life is full of unexpected moments, and being prepared with your Spanish skills can make all the difference. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's focus on the journey ahead. For now, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep pushing yourself to new heights. And most importantly, keep having fun with Spanish. Enjoy the process, celebrate your progress, and never stop exploring the beauty of this language. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. The learning community grows with each and every one of you. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time. Keep shining, keep learning, and see you next time. Subscribe to JCAB Tutoring for more videos like comment and share.